Want this?
If I quit, he's the greatest funk. Went viral.
I got you. Let's start. Start by taking the working clips and go to text icon and enter your texts. Adjust the text accordingly to the lyrics or beats. Select the font. Now go to Style and make the size 7. Go to Shadow and make the opacity 100 and blur 40. Go to Spacing and choose Character, changing its range to 3. Add your next text and follow the same previous steps. Now go to your first text and choose Animation. Select Fade In 0.3 seconds and Fade Out 0.2 seconds. Do the same for your next clip. Now copy the text as many times as you have words. Like here, I have 11 words, so I am copying it 11 times. Now write the individual words on all the text format as shown. Place the letters on their rightful places. Do the same for all. Now adjust the words accordingly to the song in the background. Once you are done, go to Style and select Glow. Make the intensity 35 and range 100. Apply it to all the texts. And you are done. Hope this video turned helpful to you.